Hello dear students, how are you? Today we will discuss worksheet number 48, periodic classification of elements. Trends in the modern periodic table. Valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an element. It is equal to the number of electrons gained or lost or shared to complete its outermost shell. यानी वैलेंसी का मतलब है कि उसके आउटरमोस्ट सेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं या कितनों की कमी है. On moving from left to right in a period, the valency of elements first increase from 1 to 4 and then decrease to 0. You can see the valency of sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. यानी 4 तक तो वही वैलेंसी जो आउटरमोस्ट वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं वही उनकी वैलेंसी होती है. उसके बाद हम 8 में से माइनस कर देते हैं वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन को, तो वैलेंसी आ जाती है. Atomic size. Atomic size refers to the radius of an atom. It may be visualized as distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost cell. Atomic size or radius of an atom decreases as we move from left to right in a period. Because due to large positive charge on the nucleus, the electrons are pulled in more close to the nucleus and hence the size decreases. For example, थर्ड पीरियड एलिमेंट्स सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस, सल्फर, क्लोरीन. आप देख सकते हैं इनके एटॉमिक साइज रिड्यूस हो रहे हैं. एटॉमिक साइज इंक्रीजेज एज वी मूव डाउन द ग्रुप बिकॉज द न्यू सेल्स आर बीइंग एडेड एंड दिस इंक्रीज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द न्यूक्लियस एंड द आउटरमोस्ट सेल. आप देख सकते हैं लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रूबिडियम, सीजियम और फ्रेशियम के एटॉमिक रेडियस यानी कि एटॉमिक साइज इंक्रीज हो रहा है. मेटेलिक करेक्टर. मेटेलिक करेक्टर मीन्स द टेंडेंसी ऑफ एन एटम टू लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन. मेटल ऑक्यूपाई द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल. ऑन मूविंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट इन अ पीरियड, द मेटेलिक करेक्टर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट डिक्रीजेस बिकॉज द इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीज. इट मीन्स द टेंडेंसी टू लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन डिक्रीजेस. Metals are electropositive as they tend to lose electron while forming bonds. Metallic characters increases as we go down a group as effective nuclear charge decreases. Non-metallic character. Non-metals are electronegative as they tend to form bonds by gaining electrons. Non-metals occupy the right side of the periodic table. Non-metallic character increases across a period due to increase in effective nuclear charge. That means tendency to gain electron increases. Non-metallic character decreases as we go down a group due to decrease in effective nuclear charge experienced by the valence electron. Thus the tendency to gain electron decreases. In the middle of the periodic table we have semi-metal or metalloids because they exhibit some properties of metals and non-metals. Oxides of metals are basic in nature while oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. Let us discuss some question. Question number 1. Across a period, atomic size decreases due to shielding effect, photoelectric effect, increase in nuclear charge, decrease in nuclear charge. Answer is C, increase in nuclear charge. Question number 2. What do you mean by valency? How do we calculate the valency of an element from its electronic configuration? Valency is the combining capacity of an element. It is equal to the number of electrons gained or lost or shared to complete its outermost shell. Part B है इसका. An element's valency is determined by the number of electrons in its outer shell. With the help of electronic configuration, we can find the number of electrons in the outermost shell. If the outermost shell has less than or equal to 4 electrons, then the valency is the number of outermost electron. And if the outermost shell has more than 4 electrons, then the valency is 8 minus number of outermost electrons. Question number 3 है. What do you mean by the metallic character of an element? How does it vary as we go down a group? Give reason for this variation. Metallic character means the tendency of an atom to lose electron. metallic character increases as we go down a group as the effective nuclear charge is decreasing. Question number 4 देख लेते हैं. How does the atomic size vary as we go down a group and move left to right in a period? Give reason. Atomic size increases as we move down the group because the new shells are being added, and this increases the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell. Atomic size or radius of an atom decreases as we move from left to right in a period because due to large positive charge on the nucleus, the electrons are pulled in more close to the nucleus and the outermost shell. Question number 5. 4 elements P, Q, R and S have atomic number 12, 13, 14 and 15 respectively. Answer the following. What is the valency of Q? Classify these elements as metal and non-metals. Which of these elements will form the most basic oxide? A. Q has valency of 3 because it has 3 electrons in its outermost shell. Atomic number 13. Electronic configuration 283. B पार्ट है P एंड Q. P का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन 282 है एंड Q का है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन 283. Have a tendency to give up electrons, hence both are metals, while R electronic configuration 284 is a semi-metallic or metalloids, and S electronic configuration 285 is a non-metal because they observe electrons to complete their octet, means they receive electrons. C. P and Q will form basic oxide because they are metals, but P will make most basic oxides. These elements are P is magnesium, Q is aluminium, R is silicon and S is phosphorus. You can see here.